students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the distance of the point minus 8, 3 from the x-axis is. So if distance of any point from x-axis is actually the magnitude of the y-coordinate. If we are talking about minus 8, 3, so distance of this point from the x-axis will be magnitude of y-coordinate, which is 3. So magnitude of y-coordinate is 3. How? Let's try to plot it on the graph. So minus 8, 3, minus 8 will be somewhere here, and 3, minus 8 will be somewhere here, and 3 will be here. So distance from the x-axis, this is our x-axis and this is the distance. So this distance is equals to this y-coordinate, right? So that's why distance from x-axis is equals to magnitude of y-coordinate. So correct option will be option B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.